In this quick video, we're going to show you how to manually install the Quobyte Linux client on your machines. We will also show you how to install it using the Quobyte script. We will start with the manual installation, so first SSH into the machine that you want to install the Linux client on. Then access the root directory by running sudo bash. Next, cd into yum.repos directory. Now, download the Quobyte repo for CentOS 7 using wget. If you do not have wget in your machine, you can install it with yum-y install wget. Once you are done with that, you can install the Quobyte client with yum install Quobyte client and answer the following questions with my. After the installation is completed, we need to create the Quobyte directory. For the next step, we need to edit the client service config file, which we can do with vi. First, you need to update the registry location. To do so, uncomment registry and delete location, localhost 7861. Now, go to your Quobyte web console, click on the information icon, select CLI and API, copy the value for the registries, and paste the information into the registry location. Next, we need the declaration for the mount point. For this, uncomment the mount point. We're ready to start the Quobyte client, and we'll do this with systemctl start. We can also check the status of our client using systemctl. At this point, you can check the content in your Quobyte directory. Lastly, we need to enable the Quobyte client using systemctl. After that, the client will be ready to be used. The next section will show you how to install the Quobyte Linux client with the Quobyte script. When you first install Quobyte, the installer gives you information on how to add servers and clients to your cluster. For the second installation, we'll use the line of code provided by Quobyte. But first, we need to change the permissions on the install, and we will do this with chmod plus x install. Now, you can paste the line of code provided by the installer, but before you run it, add a / at the beginning of the line, and remember to change the @remote host to the IP address of your instance. After running that line of code, the Linux client will be installed on your machine. At this point, you will be able to see d into /Quobyte/ and access any existing volume in your cluster.